What's up, everybody? Back again with another video. This will be just a restoration tips and tricks video. Seam sealing. Instead of using your finger, you use these little cockahoe minnows with some wax and grease remover. Run your tape lines up like this so you can have a space between it that's nice and even. Then you can spread your sealer out with your finger, or you can use a little finger condoms on your fingers to get the bulk of it out the way. Spray your wax and grease on it. Spray your wax and grease on the on this fishing lure, the cockahoe, and then take it and smooth it out like this. And then it'll make you a nice little smooth seam that works better than your finger, because even my finger is a little too wide for this spot. And the neater your tape job is here and more even, the nicer it'll be. And usually after I pull my tape, I'll come back and spray some wax and grease on it again, working fairly quickly so everything stays kind of wet. And I'll come back and smooth it out again, and just keep smoothing it and wiping and cleaning it off and smoothing it, wiping it until the thing's got a perfect transition into the body where you can't tell where it starts and stops at. And that usually works out pretty good for this whole spot. You know, all these spots you got a seam seal. You could probably just get away with the windshield urethane, but I'd rather not have to worry about that part and having to worry about urethane fillet. Rather have it kind of done beforehand. Just makes a nicer transition, makes it smoother, less chances of it leaking. But that'll be all for this video, so stay tuned for more. Peace.